Asikhulumeni Isaiah 40 verse 8. Umprofeti Isaiah uthi itshani biyawubuna netimbali tiyawuhohluka kodwa livi laNkulunkulu wethu liyawuma kuze kube phakade. Lalela. Seasons of pain will come and go. Seasons of disappointment will come and go. Seasons of rejection will come and go. Tintfo temhlaba tiyakwefika tendlule because they are temporary. Kodwa God's words and God's promises will remain eternal and dependable. Let's live laNkulunkulu ku Matthew 25 verse 35. Lizulu nemhlaba kuyakwendlula kodwa emavi ami angeke endlule. Lalela. God is not a man that he should lie. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your understanding. All things in God will work together for your own